Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily add bots to your Discord server using your mobile device. So let's jump right into it. Now we're not going to start from the Discord app, we're going to go to your browser first, and in your browser just Google Discord bots and the first website should be top.gg. Go ahead and open that first website by tapping on it, of course, and wait for it to load up. It should look like this. Now you have a search bar if you have some bots in mind or some type of bots in mind that you can search for, or you can just scroll down and find bots right here. Now I'm gonna try the first one, so let me scroll back to the top. As you can see, there are a lot here. The first ones are going to be promoted, as you can see, so you might need to go to an external website and then create an account there, as you can see guys, and then you get the free bot. But that's not how we're gonna do it for this video, so let's go back and then choose another one from the list below these ones. Let me try the third one on the screen right here, and it should be very easy. From here all you need to do is to tap on that red invite button. It's gonna take some couple seconds to confirm that you're a human and not a bot. Verification successful, and then it takes you to your Discord app, of course if you have one installed. If you don't, you can continue in the browser. Anyways, from here all you need to do is to tap on the server or to add to server, so tap right below it, and then you need to choose the server you want to add this bot to. So let me keep this one selected, and then I tap on confirm in the bottom. That's not the last step, because in the next screen you get a bunch of basically choices that you might want to keep ticked or selected, or if you want to unselect some, unselect them. The same way I unticked or unchecked the read message history right here. After that I tap on authorize, and then I tap on confirm. Again, it's gonna take a couple of seconds. Just like that, as you can see guys, it says that it has been added to my server just like that, and you can go ahead and start using it in that specific server. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.